Hello again. Or oh, hello. Okay, so we're doing the sounds of letter sounds, but we're not just doing the few little ones that are normally taught in phonics. We're going to have a look at the whole code. So we're going to think about all the sounds today of the letter I. So we've had A, we've had E, now we've got I. I wonder what's going to happen tomorrow. So what people have asked me from watching the first ones is they've said when I'm doing the sounds, so like in, it, and in, they said, can you please show which letters go together, which is called my code mapping. I have an algorithm that basically maps every word that you can play with for free on mywordswithaz.com. And people have also said, can you just explain a little bit about these little phonemes, my little speech sound characters, which again you can play with on mywords.com. Have a free play. These phonemes all say the sound English sounds. So if you were to type the sounds like it, that word would appear at the top, and then you can voice it. So you can use it as a one screen, the world's first one screen AAC. Suppose you want to do a sentence like we're just typing in the sounds and it will show the correctly spelt word. So it doesn't matter what the spelling is, you've just got to type the sounds. So come in, come in, come in, I don't know, ooh, come into, oh, wrong two, come in, and of course you can edit it, come into come into the, I don't know, house. Ow. House. So come into the house. Come into the house. So all they need to do is type in sounds, the words appear.
Come into the house.
But the little phonemes say the sounds. So for in, the I would have the phoneme next to it or embedded on it or whatever that says the sound I. Okay, so that's that first one. So what you're going to do is you're going to have a 4-second phoneme challenge. So all you need to do is within 4 seconds, give me the sound that the letter I represents in that word. So it's the picture for the sound in that word. Okay, so in, the sound would be I. In. So I'm going to show it. I, in. It just goes black, grey, all the way through, showing which letters go together. They are the letters together represent the graphemes, they're the picture of the sounds, and the phonemes give you the sound value. Okay, so 4 seconds. Let's go. So the sound is ah, meringue. Meringue. Y, onion. Onion. It's difficult to say that without adding a little schwa. Yeah. Anyway, that's phonics for you. E, and then the second I is part of the sh grapheme. So that's why if I show it here, the E, a sh variation. So we can ignore that I in the next to the T because that's part of that grapheme for the sh sound. The E, a sh variation. I, old, mild, like the letter name. I, old, mild. My old. Okay, that little schwa just before the old. But anyway, that's all for today. So we've had A, E, I. What's going to happen tomorrow? I'll see you then.